Hello guys! So ito yung update natin. This is Joanne nyo. Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. So I hope na maganda ang morning nyo din dyan guys at feeling fresh na din, no? So ito ang morning natin. Nagutom na tayo guys. So kailangan natin mag-inom ng mainit. Kasi gutom guys, bagong ligo. Nako, ang sarap naman ng kape, no? Sa pagbagong ligo guys. Para mainit-initan yung sikmura natin guys, yung natin ang tiyan, no? So, kumusta kayo dyan guys? I hope na you have a nice day and great morning. Medyo mainit-init na talaga ang panahon natin guys. So, have a safe day everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed day. And yun lang ang update natin guys. Nag-coffee pa tayo. So, I hope na kapag breakfast na din kayo dyan at coffee. So, at the same time, feeling fresh na tayo guys. So, have a nice day to all of you. Keep safe everyone and God bless us guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.
Oh, hello. Shout out kay Ate Jean. Oh, yan. Si Ate Jean, biyernes. Bonita ya gayod. Guwapa na si Ate Jean. Oh, guys. Ang sarap ng ulam ni Ate, oh.
No need to smile.
Yes, need to smile talaga, Ate, no?
Smile.
So, dito naman tayo early kay Ate. Ate Jean, thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, hello guys. Hi Ate, oh, good morning. Good morning. Si Nanay. Halang baby. Nako Nanay, dito muna tayo. Kain tayo guys, guyaba guys. Lambot na. Bilis na yelo. Kahapon lang to guys. Hinog na pala talaga to. Kain. Ito, Ming. Ito daw, lablab. Ito daw, lablab to, Mimi. Oh, Miming, guys. Oh, we are here with Miming, guys. Hello, ito daw, lablab. Please. Get healed here, Ming. Let me see your face. Okay. Okay.
Hello guys, dito na tayo. So, naglakad tayo sa mainit-init na panahon pa guys. Mahangin. Nanay. Nanay. So, dito tayo guys. Thank you.
Ice cream.